he's up there. And why was that like your best wheelie so far? I think so, yeah. Alright, and I gotta make sure we're filming. I don't even know if we're filming right now. Bro is so happy in there, the little man. Man, it's a little too wet, too slow. Bike store. So we're gonna go take a look, check it out. I guess it's supposed to be like a new Revzilla or something. Not sure exactly what it is, but yeah, no, we're gonna head over there right now and see what it is. So I'll catch you guys once we start moving. We did lose Kate and a few others, but that's all right. Damn, he's up there. I really hope I'm recording right now. You're good. Good guy. That was a good one though. He was up there on that one. And why was that like your best wheelie so far? I think so, yeah. Yeah, you were up there. Yeah. Yep, we're good. Yeah, I need to switch my camera to be looking at it with the red dot. The red dot is so much brighter, I feel, than the regular display screen. Now that's crazy. And driving it out here in the rain. That so seems like a guy that would have a Model T too. Probably his only vehicle. He only goes out when he needs to, and that's all he drives. Oh, and we are here. This place actually looks massive. Alrighty. Now let's see what this place is all about. I see Shui, I see Somi. Looks like they got a lot of stuff. I knew I should have went home because I probably would be pulling in my driveway right now.
Turn his lights off.
Oh, it's because what's he gonna do?
I was up already, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, then I was like, I don't know what to do. I'm already hauling ass up to this guy, so he knows I'm speeding. Probably radioed in to the other cop, like, I was waiting for you to dip out.
I was gonna dip out, but I was waiting for something.
Yeah.
Reason to dip out, but I gave it. He didn't give a fuck.
We got the ZX14 and the Busa, the big boys pulled up. All right, let's see. Let's walk around.
I don't know.
There's so much right there. Looks like a dope store. They got boots, dirt bike boots, motorcycle shoes, squid gear, neck protectors. All right. Alpine Star boots. Let's unzip our jacket. These e-bikes pay over time. 2,000. You can buy a motorcycle for less than $4,000. Jeans, dirt bike stuff. Let's go look at the helmets. I see an R10. Alright, Somi. So this is basically the KX1 Race GP. It's the exact same helmet, just made by somebody else, made in the same factory. Everything is the exact same. So that is basically, heard highly of this helmet. Really highly of this Nexus helmet. I don't know how much it is, but people that do have it love it. The purple carbon is dope too. Alpine Star. They have a lot of those Sumi. What else is there? Arise. Oh, another Nexus, just non-carbon. Definitely some cool colors. Oh, KYT. Is that the KX1? No, that's the TT Revo. Is that the Race GP? No, I've never even seen this KYT. What are you? R2R? Not bad looking. More KYTs. No KX1 Race GPs. They must be sold out. Bell. What else? Alright. Oh, somebody's setting up an... Oh, what color is this one? Well, that one's red carbon. That's a clean looking one too. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys probably right now so I can take off my helmet. Oh, look. Who was talking about wanting to buy a GoPro? He was talking at lunch about buying a GoPro. Don't recommend at all. Definitely either the other two brands. I personally would say Insta360. But, DJI is great too. Oh, they have the... If I would have bought my Alpine Star, I would have got this one. I feel like this one is so sick, so different. Oh, there's two. Oh, I didn't even know yet. There's two different, like, specialty race ones. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys. Take off my helmet. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, so, badass shop. Huh? Yeah. So Badass Shop definitely has a lot of useful gear. I would definitely come check it out. It's over here in Orange. I think that is... What street is that? Catella's like one block that way. I don't know. We'll see when I leave. But yeah, Badass Shop, what is it called? Speed Addicts Clutch. Super dope. Awesome. Got everybody. Wham, 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 wham. Fuck the Beamer.
Yeah, my bike.
I know, I just switched the fairings, deep cleaned it, and then I decided to ride in the rain. Anybody else want it? But yeah, no, huge shout out. Thank you again, boss. Oh, ooh. All right, where's my key at? Actually, no, that here, so I'm not putting my key in until we are ready to go. But yeah, no, I think, let's make sure we're all good. Yeah, I think this is going to be a wrap. We are going to ride out of here. If anything happens, I will make sure to include it in this video before I do this complete outro. But yeah, fun. Got to ride with... Actually, we got to get our thumbnail. This is going to be a sick thumbnail with the bikes in front of Speed Addicts. Sorry, Jixer. I'm keeping you out of the shot. I need a thumbnail. I'm going to put my thumbnail as a big ass blow up with just your face. That's it. Yeah. I'm going to CGI it. I'm going to AI edit it for you to be naked.
Naked?
Yeah, I'm going to AI edit it. Ride safe.
Oh, do they have carbon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's the carbon one. $100
They
off.
have carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah.
For the bike.
Yeah. If I didn't do it through you know who, he was going to do a full carbon build with me.
Yeah.
He can get anything. Illenberger, everything.
Who? Your guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see.
He's actually a partner with RPM too, so he gets RPM for discounted.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I need like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Maybe more. 5. Yeah.
You're doing these ones? You gotta get rid of the plastic.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do.
Oh.
I need the front.
Oh, okay, yeah. The front one for sure.
I had them order in, and then the trip happened, and they didn't ship my shit.